Art changes you. It's alchemical in nature. That's my first quote for these art takes, and for me, Divvya Nirula, and my take on art. The reason I began my 21 day of these art quotes with this particular quote of mine is because it's very near and dear to my beginning with art as an artist, as a collector, as an art historian, as a student and lover of art. When did it begin? It began when I was 5 years old and my mother took me to the Craft Museum in New Delhi, India. It was mesmerizing for me as a 5-year-old to go to the Craft Museum for that terracotta exhibition. It was stunning to be able to touch, to feel, to create with the artisans and artists. A tradition of working with earth that slipped into my soul and made me the obsessive art lover, aficionado, artist who's chasing that creative act every second, every minute, every hour of every day. Thank you for joining me. We'll be back with more of these art quotes for the 21 days on art.